Hello everyone, once again welcome you all on your own channel Computer Classes at Home. And learning computers at home these days is actually something very important. So today we are going to talk about one of the most important internet service, that is cloud computing. As you can see, the picture indicates about different things like application, platform, infrastructure, and further you can see in the picture about phones, tablet, laptop, servers. So definitely some questions might be coming in our mind what we are going to learn in cloud computing. So have a look. First of all, what is cloud? Cloud, it is defined as a set of hardware, networks, storage, interfaces and services which combine together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over a network or internet. So definitely when we want to use all these things together and the purpose is to make our work easier, so it is possible with the help of internet connection. In the cloud computing, applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, that is CRM, all these things easily run in cloud. If we talk about Google Docs, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, etc., these are some of the common examples of free or low cost online storage for users. This is a kind of cloud computing. In cloud computing, we are able to manipulate, configure and accessing the applications online. And further, cloud computing is making our business application mobile and collaborative, because wherever and whenever we want to access these applications, we can easily access it. That's why we call them mobile. Along with this, copyright violations and piracy have seen a sharp decline over the past few years, as users, instead of using pirated software, can easily access the authentic content by paying a fraction of the cost. Yes, of course, there are many softwares for which we were supposed to pay a lot earlier, and that's why pirated software copies were there in the trend. But now, with the fraction of the same cost, we are able to avail the content and it is authentic along with different services. And the most important thing is it is 100% secure and confidential. In cloud computing, we can say that it's a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of computing resources, whether it is for network or servers, storage, software applications and services. All these things can be released with minimum effort or service provider interaction. So overall, cloud computing is something which has made our life easier and convenient, especially in our day-to-day life. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.